Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Maeda. قل لا يستوي الخبيث والطيب ولو أعجبك كثرة الخبيث فاتقوا الله يا أولي الألباب لعلكم تفلحون. Translation: O Messenger, say, the evil and the good are not equal nor alike, though plenty of evils may impress and attract you. So fear Allah to be pious, O you people with understanding, that you may be successful. In the reasons of revelations, it is mentioned that when Prophet Muhammad revealed the commandment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala about the prohibition of alcohol, the one villager stood up and said that I used to do a trade of alcohol and I earn money from that trade, and if I spend that money in the path of Allah, will that be beneficial for me? Prophet Muhammad answered that indeed Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accepts the sadaqah only from the pure mal or money. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent this ayah that is just recited, attesting what Prophet Muhammad told to that villager. Khabis meaning anything that is bad, and tayyib meaning anything that is good. Some scholars have said khabis as impure and tayyib as pure, but the general meaning of this ayah is about the good and bad actions, good and bad money, and good and bad people. All these could be meant in this ayah by the words khabis and tayyib. An important concept to understand that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not accept the sadaqah from the khabith mal or from the haram mal, and there are clear hadiths on this topic. Another extremely important concept to understand here, that if the evils are plenty and the good is scarce or very small in amount, the evil would not become the right thing or the good thing. The evil will remain evil even it is plenty, and the tayyib will remain tayyib and pure and good even if it is scarce. Now putting that on the process of election explains that the results of elections are not always the right, because if the people are khabis in majority, they will elect someone who is khabis, and this process in which the person is only counted as supported by other people and is not judged by his own character and action, this process will not result in the right person to be elected. We see that today in the world, the non-believers are in majority. Even in the Muslim states, the majority of the Muslims are not following the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and they may be among khabis, and these people will not likely to elect someone who is muttaqi and who is following the law and commandments of Allah, and this is seen in majority of the Muslim countries. In the end of the ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commands Muslims to fear Allah, to be pious. O you people of understanding, O ulil albab, get taqwa of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala so that you can be among the people who gets the falah and who are among the muflihun. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.